Hey guys, it's me, Gadget Gal 38 here. How are you? Well, I got something in the mail yesterday. It's nothing electronic. Well, it's kind of electronic, but I had renewed my Cash App card and it came back today. It's the hashtag Cash Card. And what makes it so special is this is the metal one, and it's kind of like the Apple. It's trying to mimic the Apple card, the metal card. So it was very interesting. I had to pay $50 for it. And yeah, I'm excited for it to be here. And the design I got was Shyamalan. I think that's what it's called. But without further ado, let's go ahead and undo it. All you gotta do is just boom. Okay. All right. Oh, snap. Nothing else in there.
Nice.
Oh, this is nice. Nice, right? Look at it.
Yeah.
That's cute. That's how it looks. Comes in this little box right here. It says Cash App Visa. Nice. It says this card was forged for. And it's got my name on the back. Right there. Okay, let me see it before you. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, it's got the little Cash App thing. The dollar sign up there. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Of course, I had to design it, so this is how it looks.
I like that.
Isn't that cute?
Colors.
Wow. So I got to scan this code to activate it. That is so cute. That is my Cash App name. So yeah, look at the chip. It's got the dollar sign on there and sunshine with the sun. That is so cute.
So you got to design even the star, the sun, and everything?
Yes.
I like that.
So, because my stuff is on the back. So, it's metal, y'all. It's metal. That is so cute. Oh, let me see how I look on the back. They gotta tap it now. Nice. I can't show you on the back, but well, yes, I can. How it look on the back right here. So I have that tap thing now. I don't think my old one had a tap thing on the back. So
Can you drop it?
Oh.
Make the sound?
it sounds like metal. So yeah. So on the back of this card thing right here, it says recycle with paper, and then it has the little icon stuff down there. So yeah, looks nice. Like it. Well, that's what I wanted to show you. I think this one is called Shyamalan. But they also have I think they had a black one, a metal black one, and the metals are $50. Then they have a glow in the dark. I think it's $5. You have to pay $5 for that one. And of course, you still have your black one. Then I think it's a white one. I think those two are free. So, yeah. So, I'm getting ready to activate my card. They do have Boost. So, you can go to different stores and you can get the, savings. So, yeah. All right, then, y'all. All right. Without further ado, I'm out of here. Peace.